Dear students, now today let us continue with the 12th lesson, our human heritage. Okay, in this lesson, students class, let us discuss about some of our great human heritage, that is great philosophers, thinkers, yes or no? Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta. Okay, Aryabhatta is one of the famous mathematician and astronomer also. Aryabhatta is one of the famous mathematician and astronomer, both is. And he lived about 1500 years ago. 1500 years kinda at that year he was living. And he was the author of several books on mathematics and astronomy. His famous work Aryabhatta is a combination of mathematics and astronomy. He claimed that the earth rotates on its axis. He explained that the apparent movement of stars across the sky was actually the result of the earth's movement. He also calculated distances between the planets and he set up an astronomical observatory near Pataliputra. In present day, it is in Bihar. Means here, Aryabhatta is one of the famous mathematician. Along with the mathematician, he is also a astronomer also. So here, he calculated the distance between the earth and the sun, and the earth rotates and on its own axis. He said that the earth rotates on its own axis and the stars which are present in the sky, everything, about that everything, he explained it. So what he said about it, he calculated the distance between the planets, and not only that, he calculated even the distance between the planets also. And for that he has set up an astronomical observatory also. He has set up, and that astronomical observatory, it is in Pataliputra, which is now it is in Bihar state, the state of Bihar. Okay, next let us discuss about who is this Aryabhatta. He is one of the famous mathematician and astronomer. Mathematician and astronomer. Okay, next let us discuss about another person, Dada Saheb Phalke. Dada Saheb Phalke. So who is this Dada Saheb Phalke? Dada Saheb Phalke, it is also called by the name as Sir Dhundiraj Govinda Phalke, or Dada Saheb Phalke is known as the father of Indian cinema. So Dada Saheb Phalke means is also known as the father of Indian cinema. Indian cinema. As you all know the name, you might be heard about the name, I think, and nowadays you might have seen some of the film shows and all, or some of the film festivals they will be celebrating. During the time of celebration of the film festival, awards they will be giving. So while giving the awards, so by the name you might have heard this name Dada Saheb Phalke. While giving the awards, while distributing the awards distribute చేసేటప్పుడు they given by the name Dada Saheb Phalke award అని కూడా ఇస్తారు. Did you heard the name Dada Saheb Phalke? They will be giving the awards also. Here the awards also is given by his name, Dada Saheb Phalke award. So here, now let us learn more about Dada Saheb Phalke. Actually, he is very interested in making in cinemas. He was born in Nasik, Maharashtra in 1870. He studied art in JJ School Art of Mumbai, and his passion for making cinema was so great that he sold off many of his household items to travel to England and learn the art and technology of film making. Here Dada Saheb completed the first Indian film Raja Harishchandra in 1913 and he made 96 movies and 26 short films. In his 19-year-long career, though the movies did not have sound, they were still ugly popular among the people, and the government of India instituted an award in his honor in the year 1969. In the year 1969, the government has awarded by his name, అంటే ఆ పేరు మీద అవార్డ్ అనేది ఇవ్వడానికి స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. In the year 1969.